Welcome to The Educator. My name is Martin Botha. I hope you enjoy this presentation. In this presentation, we are going to take a look at Life of Pi, chapters 37 to 52. The Symptom sinks and Pi finds himself in a lifeboat with a zebra with a broken leg. He sees Richard Parker and calls to him to swim to the lifeboat. Pi realizes that he has helped a tiger aboard his lifeboat and jumps overboard. This chapter marks the beginning of Pi's long ordeal. Pi calls on heaven to explain his plight. His "why me" question echoes the Old and New Testaments, Christ on the cross and God punishing Job as a test of faith. There is also dramatic irony in his question, what is the purpose of reason? It is reason and being able to shine at practicalities that will prove crucial to Pi's survival and ultimately make him a strong, independent person. The fact that he also addresses these questions to Richard Parker as if he is a human, again suggests the lack of clear distinction between humans and animals. Pi refers to the animals which have drowned as my extended family. Pi remembers the voyage before the Symptom sank. 3 of the sailors threw Pi to safety into a lifeboat and threw a zebra after him. Pi, as the only survivor, seems to have been saved by inexplicable forces. He does not know why he woke up or why he investigated the unusual noise, since that was something Ravi would do. Pi clings to an oar, tied to a life buoy, and the lifeboat to keep a safe distance between himself and Richard Parker. He sees sharks in the water and climbs into the lifeboat. A hyena is now also on board. He assumes the tiger jumped or fell overboard. The orangutan, Orange Juice, drifts toward the lifeboat and climbs aboard. In these chapters, Pi's only concern is survival. Pi's comparison of the sight of orange juice with the vision of the Virgin Mary, besides being a religious image, foreshadows his actual vision of the Virgin Mary in Canada, mentioned to the author in chapter 20. During his first night on the boat, Pi hears a fight between the hyena and the zebra. By the next morning, the hyena is eating the zebra alive. During the second night, the hyena attacks the zebra savagely. The next day, the zebra dies. The hyena attacks Orange Juice and kills her. Pi sees that Richard Parker is on the lifeboat. Pi is beginning to experience life inside a zoo himself and the dangers of not being able to maintain a safe distance between wild animals. The hyena's savage killing and devouring of raw meat foreshadows Pi's butchering and devouring of sea creatures, and his descent into animalism and cannibalism. Orange Juice's actions remind Pi that the universe can provide kindness and protection when he least expects it. He anthropomorphizes the orangutan, who seems like a mother. Pi, seeing Orange Juice as a simian, Christ on the cross, suggests he's seeing meaning in her suffering. The mix-up of Richard Parker's name suggests 3 important themes. Richard Parker is also in this situation by accident. The tiger has acquired a human name, and the tiger's original name was Thirsty, which both he and Pi will be in a literal sense from now on. Pi finds food and water and other emergency supplies in a locker and calculates how long the food and water are likely to last. Pi is coming to realize, as his biology teacher Mr. Kumar had advised, the importance of paying close attention to every detail, and that the tiger and hyena could help his chances of survival. In comparing his suffering of desperate hunger and thirst to the suffering of Christ, Pi again sees the possibility of finding meaning in suffering. Thank you for watching The Educator. Please remember to subscribe on YouTube for more presentations.